Can't believe you're playing on the Switch.
You should always do a custom 2v2
I am
to
more
help.
powerful than you could ever imagine.
We could do a custom 2v2 that would probably be more Switch friendly,
No.
Fuck you.
but I
The
feel like...
console plebs versus the PC plebs.
What-
Ranked Conquest.
What god do you want to play?
Wait, wait, how do I fucking look at the list? Wait, give me a sec. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I can't use any gods that require me to use abilities in quick succession. So that leaves out pretty much all of my go-tos, like Zeus and Sylvanas. I could probably do a Soul. I could
On a
probably
Switch controller,
pull
though.
You will have to hit auto attacks.
I was relatively fine hitting Sylvanas' arm.
Alright, Jerry.
Yeah, those are
Play
area
Soul.
effect.
Ooh,
I'll
what about
play-
Kumba?
Ooh.
Yeah, you could probably do
Yeah,
probably do
Kumba. I'm thinking Kumba's the play.
Alright.
Jerry, up your sensitivity. For the love of
I
God.
refuse.
Jerry.
You want to know what the bigger factor in this decision is? I think all of my settings are the same. So I think if I change my sensitivity on here, it'll change my sensitivity when I go back to PC, and that'll fuck me up.
It
No,
shouldn't.
Jerry, I was gonna say if you played like Soul or like some sort of mage, I could play Horse, and then instead of the battle boss, it's just a short boss where I try to keep you alive.
There's the boy. Oh, you guys know what we gotta do? You guys know.
What?
Where is it? Yeah. Now
I'm
they
missing
all know how good at Kumba
Oh.
I am.
Oh yeah. You switched to that. I'm sad. I didn't think of it.
Yeah.
You obviously should have played Uller so you could switch it up.
Why wasn't there a Switch skin for Uller?
There should have
Or
been.
any stance
Oh
changer?
my
Just,
god.
just blue and red axes, like
his axes are Joy-Cons.
yeah,
Oh fuck.
same.
Alright, so if you guys see me just moving to the left, it'll be
I
because
saw
my
it.
controller's busted. And I have to and if I set it still for too long, I have to adjust.
You have to just what?
Okay, guys, don't look at my build. Yeah, jump! I did it. I did it.
I got an arrow that doesn't miss.
Get him.
Is there any sort of insect on it though?
Why did we keep all the other consoles in the other lane? Why did
Joey,
we
come
do
here.
that?
Joey, come here.
No.
Come here.
Welcome,
wait.
my console brother.
How the fuck do you pop potions? Okay, Z, L, and okay, that's
Also,
Alright,
Jerry,
got
just turn your PC on.
You have, to,
guys. My PC is on. I'm talking to you through it.
you have to insert the Konami code every time it wants to pop a potion.
Yeah.
The bracket's coming from behind, by the way.
What a passive.
Oh my god. I don't think you can blame the passive on that one. I've just been just turning my camera in ways so that the auto run to the left is just moving me in the direction I want to go.
Oh, it auto runs for you?
Well, my controller is broken. My Joy-Cons are broken.
Hey Jerry, you wanna go in? Come here.
Now I don't have to engage. Now I can just get the. Ah! Yeah.
Thank god I got speed buff. Thank god I got speed buff. Okay.
Oh hey.
No one saw the ult.
I'm pretty sure no one saw it because he didn't hit it.
I saw the lack of ult.
Okay.
They're coming, by the way.
This is gonna suck. Start your channel in your ult, Jake, please.
Nah,
Okay.
it's just
I'm
him.
going to die.
It's just him. Now I'm channeling it. Joey, you act like I'm not a support mate.
Yes! I'm so good at this game!
You act like I'm not a support mate
I
who calculates all
hate.
these things.
You.
You.
What happened?
He ulted the Hoyu's backing. The Hoyu finished the back, so the arrow curved to readjust to hit him in Fountain, and instead hit the fucking Chalk in the face.
Jerry, no.
I didn't get hit by his ult there.
Ah!
I'm dead.
I ulted the Hoy, that's the best I can
Thank
give
you.
Can I sell things? How do I?
No.
You know what? No, not even gonna jump down that rabbit hole.
Jerry, play with the Joy-Cons
I use the
disconnected for extra
D-pad.
curse.
Thank God.
Why didn't she ult there?
I don't know. She did. She turned to me.
Like, no.
What? The Morgan? She ulted.
She Cerberus ulted?
Yes.
Oh.
She used it on me. I have
Oh.
my beats up. And it is. I'm getting better at this. It is L, F, and then X.
Jesus Christ.
Okay. Mine are just A and X. What the fuck?
And okay. I get to walk back. And
Wait, why? You can't back?
what? I told you my controller's fucked. So if I try to stand still, it'll just move slowly to the left. It's fine when I'm playing fucking Pokemon, but I can't back.
And then that's just the first hit is 510.
What a little stupid bint.
I'm so good. Did you see how good I am in this game by pressing 3, Joey?
What a fucking idiot.
I immuned 3 ults there.
You could have just, you know, not done that.
All 3 of them.
Okay. Can we just stop throwing shit at the Cerberus for no reason?
I mean, it's not a reason it's poking you out.
Is he?
Yeah. No, I'm Izzy.
Oh my god.
Worry, guys. I got it.
I'm just gonna lose.
Jerry, I don't know if you're gonna be able to turn around fast enough after blocking someone.
Oh my god, I won't. Fuck. Now, you see, the problem here is, I picked Herc and it, you know, shrank down. I don't know how
Press
to
B.
bring it back up.
Oh, thank God.
I did that.
Initiate on him, Joey!
Did you just...
No! Let's not talk about it, Joey!
Did you just...
I got caught on the wall, fuck you! It happens to the best of us.
Did you just...
Oh, gotta get the biggest power spike in the game.
His boots.
Tier 2 boots.
What
Don't you
was-
guys, did you know it gives 10 a whole power?
Oh, Jerry, did you hear that Merlin make a Pokemon reference?
No.
He blinked and said, beware.
Merlin put down his Sleet Storm and you put down a wall.
Don't say Sleet Storm.
Why? Oh, sorry, Nor'easter.
Don't describe it as a sleet storm.
Nor'easter, my bad.
I
Joey, you
require
made it.
farm!
What? No. Please all, please all, please all, please all. Oh, please all, please. That actually worked out because I wanted to get the Nox to ult us. Alright.
I also like how almost every heal in Smite is like progressively getting
That time.
Ah.
That was
I hit
fun to
him.
watch.
Get him, Jerry!
Eh.
You missed. Oh god, what are we doing?
I'm
I'm
letting
looking. I'm at a loss.
I'm letting Jerry pick because, you know.
That's a good idea, but be ready to pick. You.
That's fine. I'll change.
Hey, Jerry, you really want to try hitting fast new shit? Oh yeah, we were
Oh
gonna do the
shit!
more.
Wait, no. How do I change? Derek, tell me how to change.
Hit B.
It
Gotta
B-
B.
I don't know what B is. We have different
Whatever your
Bs.
back
I'm
button
ready
is.
to change.
The left button. That's Y. Okay.
That's why what?
Rock.
It's okay, Jerry. You just have to buff Joey.
Oh, I never got Warrior's Blessing. Oh, hey.
Hey, Jake, watch out.
Let's get Warrior's Blessing. It's never too late.
Fucking Christ.
And you guys don't understand how much it sucks for me to be ahead.
Why?
It takes me longer to get back to base.
Yes!
Mm. I wonder if I can
My
see
life
like
too.
other people playing the Switch, because like what percentage of the population is playing fucking Smite on the Switch?
Higher than it should be.
Correct. We have one.